And the race is on. Hajok fast to begin. Windsor Lady, Dreammaker alongside Maximum Exposure, Escape Artist. Also rushing up, running by the Rally Cashers Check and Okidoki. Hajok, Windsor Lady, Escape Artist is racing from the outside. Dreammaker and Maximum Exposure. Rounding the far turnscape, Artist now the leader by some 2 lengths. Windsor Lady, Joke racing third by the Dream Maker, and on the outside Maximum Exposure, Okidoking Cashers Check as they swing for home. Escape Artist by some 4 lengths now. Windsor Lady, Dream Maker, then on the inside Maximum Exposure, Okidoki, and nearing the finish line, Escape Artist. Windsor Lady is on the outside. It's now Windsor Lady, Maximum Exposure, and finally close. Windsor Lady, Maximum Exposure, Escape Artist, Okidoki, and Dream Maker. Then comes Cashier's Check, Adjo.